Hello YouTube, it's Black Powder Pyros coming at you with a quick stash update. Grabbed a few things today. Let's check them out. We'll actually go over some old items too that we have. We're going to be doing some demos shortly in a few days. We grabbed a box of these Magnums. Grabbed a Heavenly cake. It's 25 shots. Got a Cowboy cake, a 36 shot. Drunken Pig cake, 25 shot. Grabbed another box of these guys right here. Alright you guys, we also wanted to say thank you very much for the 500 subscribers. We appreciate everybody that subscribed to the channel and watches our content. We will be doing some demos shortly in a few days, so stay tuned because a lot of demos coming of a lot of good stuff. We'll be lighting off some cakes, probably this brown wrap right here. The X2, it's a willow cake to salute. Probably maybe be lighting this guy off too shortly. Definitely going to light this guy off in a day or so. And definitely going to be demoing this guy and some of the new stuff that we picked up. Alright you guys, thank you very much. Hit the comment, like, and subscribe button.